Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. So here we are, day 2 of school. I'm just getting the boys ready and then we're gonna head out. I have a complicated schedule today. So I have 2 of the boys starting at 8, Elijah at 8:30, and then Braylon is at 10:15. So it's gonna be a lot of back and forth. But the boys are looking so cute with all their little active wear on. Once Elijah comes back in here, I'll try to, I want you guys to see his outfit. He looks so handsome. But once again, I'm sleepy, but I do feel better than yesterday. You know, just getting back used to waking up this early. So, like I said, I'm just using the mousse and the foam, well, the mousse and the curl refresher on Cameron. You just gotta work this sponge around and around until all the hair is textured. So yes, you guys, yesterday was cool. The boys actually came home and were quite tired. You know, and yesterday was only a minimum day, so we'll see how they feel today, having the actual first full day of school. You ready for school? And Cameron, look up, Cameron. See my little teddy bear? That's my little teddy bear. All right, guys. So Braylon is actually still in bed. So I'll take him in a little bit. But yes, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are having a good start of your day. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning again, guys. So I just dropped off Desmond and Cameron. I must say the good thing about them getting older is that they become more independent. I don't have to do the things that I used to do because now they want to do it all on their own. Let me show you guys. So yeah, I just dropped them off. They're already like walking into campus. This area right here where you see the welcome, that's actually the back end of Braylon's classroom. But like I said, Braylon, he's not even in the car because he's at home still sleeping. But the thing about it is Elijah doesn't start school for like another like 30-45 minutes. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if we should, you know, go to the park. I don't know if I should like stop by my mom's house, because it's like yeah, he has a whole 45 minutes. It's 7:40 and he goes at 8:30. He has to be at school. But like I said, I'm not gonna try to want to go to the park every single morning. So I don't know. We're gonna have to adjust the time that I'm dropping the boys off. So I was asking them, I don't know. I have to figure that out, because to sit around for 30 to 45 minutes seems like just a waste of, not a waste of time, but it's like I want to find something to do. I don't want to just sit in the car every morning for an hour like that. But you guys, yes, I don't really have much going on to talk about right now, so I'm going to go ahead and go. But yeah, I don't know. I got to figure out what to do at this point. All right, guys, but I'll let you guys go. Get y'all coffee. Enjoy y'all Thursday. Enjoy y'all Thursday. And I will see you guys later. Good morning. Hey y'all. So I am back. I just got home from picking up all the kids from school. I had all these Amazon boxes at my door. I'm gonna be starting something new and exciting with Blue Zebra. And I don't want to talk about it just now. I kind of want to wait until I get the products made and then actually show and tell instead of a talk and tell. But I have all these boxes right here that just arrived, and I'm going to be opening them up. But when I tell you I am pooped from, it's only day 2. It is only day 2. So I don't know, y'all. All you mommies out there who are picking up multiple kids from school, I understand. I definitely understand. So yeah, I'm gonna be starting cause you know, so I have the Blue Zebra website, right? But most of the things, okay, so this is not, most of the things that I have, I am reselling. But what I want to start doing is making some things myself so it can actually be super duper authentic and one of a kind. So that's what we are working on right now, me and my mom. So these are some of the packages of my supplies right here. I probably should invest in a box cutter, but nevertheless, you guys, I'm just so tired. And then on top of that, for most of the day, it was triple digits. We're talking about over 100 degrees for most of the day. So I'm tired and I'm hot. And it's not even 4 o'clock yet. Or is it 4 o'clock? Still have to make dinner. I'm just like over it. I can't show you this though. I did get this. It is a toilet brush. Is it called? Yeah, basically a bowl brush. I got this to put in the master bathroom. Crazy because the one that I had, I was cleaning the toilet and I must have been going over super hard because it actually, the handle part right here literally just like cracked in half. So all that was remaining was like just the brush part. And it's crazy because even though I only had like the brush portion, I've literally had it broken for months. So every time I clean my toilet, I'm just like, yeah. So this is the one I got. This is a marble one. I have the same color trash can as well. So I thought that was cute. Got this on Amazon for $11. I actually did just get approved for the Amazon affiliate program. I got approved. I got the email that I'm approved, but I need to actually see how I work it. Because I literally shop on Amazon probably more than any other place. So I figured once I get approved, which I did, I could just like add different items to, I don't know how it works, but once I know how it works, I'll definitely be doing that. So I will give you a small hint. So I'll show you this. These are my glass beakers. I don't know if that gives you a hint to what I'm going to be doing, but these are my glass beakers. Can I, what? These are my glass beakers that I got, guys. So that's the only clue that I'm going to give you for what I'm going to be doing new with Blue Zebra. So yeah, I got these glass beakers. That's your clue. All right, so that's it for this box. It was my glass beakers and my bowl brush. So what else is this? I guess it's like labels for the beaker. All right, so what's in my next box? This is my Myers cleaner. Okay, so really I got the Myers, and the fragrance that I love the most is the peony fragrance. So I
love this cleaner because it's super safe for children and pets. And this it's a set of 3. It's a multi-surface spray. So I spray this pretty much on the countertops, when I'm wiping down the dinner table after they eat or before they eat. This is really safe to use on multiple surfaces. It says it removes dirt, but it's not a disinfectant. So it's not going to sanitize or anything like that, but it just basically removes dirt, and it also has a really, really fresh smell. So this one is the peony scent, and this is the Meyer spray. So yeah, I got the pack of 3, and I believe this one was like 11 bucks. They also had the option to do like a subscribe and save, but I just got the pack of. So then I got the Lysol all-purpose cleaner as well, and I really do love having an all-purpose cleaner. And this one has a really fresh lemon scent. This one I like to use in the restroom. But this one actually does kill 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. So this one's really good. Like I said, the other multi-surface cleaner doesn't disinfect at all. But I like to use this one in the bathroom, and especially with that lemon scent, it really does freshen up the restroom. Okay, so I got that box there. Got this box there. So that's that. What was in this box? I don't know. I got one more box.
Can I open this one?
Let's see. Let me do this first. So yeah, you guys, I know I said I was going to do my perfume haul, but the way that today went in yesterday, I think that I'm gonna just do the perfume haul over the weekend, and then I can submit that on Monday. That'll be my Monday video. What's this? Oh, don't show. What's this? Okay, yeah. I can't show you guys this. That's a part of something I need for Blue Zebra. But here's the packaging. This is just a supply for the project that I have going on, as well as that. And then what's this one? Ooh, yeah. So this right here, I'm excited to see what this looks like. Can't show you that though. All right, I think that's it. I actually got one more box. Oh no, I'm not opening it yet. Put these ones up. I got one more box from, remember I said I had like a couple of more crystal packages showing up. So I got one more box from Gold Traders, and the last thing that I have is an order from Enchanting Earth. Let's see. So this is my box from Gold Traders, and they have really affordable pieces. If you guys go on Instagram, Gold Traders, you guys will see all their beautiful items. And I know some of the crystal people, they could be really expensive, but their price point here is super affordable. Okay, let me show you guys some of the pieces. If not, y'all can just go ahead and exit now, because after I show this, I'm actually going to wrap up this video for the day and see you guys on Monday. I will see you guys all on Monday. Okay, so this right here, this one is, ooh, so beautiful. Okay, so I ordered 2 of these. I showed you the other one. This right here is also the Peach Moonstone, but it's super, I don't know if you see it on camera. It's super flashy. No, it's not coming on camera. So on my end, when I go like this, I'm seeing all kind of shimmer effects happening. I don't think y'all are able to see it, but this is so pretty. Peach Moonstone is like one of my favorite stones right now. Okay, so let's open up the next one. I'm coming. Okay, so this one, I could tell already, this is my Serpentine Palm Stone, and this one is pretty. I wanted something green. I have really been loving green lately, so I went ahead and got this Serpentine Pond. I think this one was like $3 or $6. Yeah, this is how this one looks. Don't nobody call them no rocks either. Okay, so I got one more package to show you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. It's been a long week, you guys, and I can't believe it's only Thursday, only the second day of school. So imagine Monday. Okay, so yeah, here is. Oh, these might just be my bracelets. Okay, these are a good size. These are my 2 bracelets that I ordered. Now, this one actually is a flower agate and a peach moonstone bracelet. So these are my 2 bracelets, my 2 new bracelets. Yeah, my camera is not giving it justice because on this end it's sparkly, super sparkly. But all right, guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me all week. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys. See y'all next week. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Do you see anything?
Yeah.
What do you see?
Like some type of shine reflecting off of it.
See, y'all can't see it, but in person it's super flashy.
Could I see this one?
So that one doesn't have any flash at all, but that one is a serpentine rock.
It does a bit, because at first it's like a light, then it turns dark if you do that.
But that one, like I said, I really needed to get that piece. Bye, guys.